Alright guys, this video is about adding things to your Weebly pages, and specifically I'm going to show you how to add your alternative energy presentation to your school page so that when others go to your website they can check that out and see some of the cool things that you are doing at school. So let's say you wanted to add something to your welcome page, and this will be an assignment that you do a little bit later in terms of adding things to pages. But essentially it's all drag and drop. All of these things that you see here, um, that you see, you can play with some of these things. It's all stuff that you can add. Yours might look a little bit different than mine, but the main ones that you are going to use are here under basic. That's where most of the stuff that you use will be. And all you do is you click on it and hold it and pull it right down to the page and let it go. And I've just added a title area and an area where I can type a paragraph. And I'll be talking to you a little bit later on about what I want you to do on this page. But the thing that I'm going to, well, and I'll just keep going here a second. The other thing that you can do is you can add what is called multiple columns. So maybe you want to drag this down, and now I can pick, do I want 2, 3, 4, 5 columns? I'm just going to leave it at 2. But if I want, I can bring a picture down here and add a picture just like I did for my header, where you would click on it and you can upload, or you can do the image URL, or you can search. I'm not going to show you how to do that again. But then you can go over here and you can drag a title and a text down, and you can write about what this picture is about or something like that. So you can use columns. The one thing that I really want to show you today is I want to show you how to get your alternative energy presentation onto your school page. So if you go to your school page, what you are going to do is drag down a title with text, and you're going to call it alternative. I'll tell you what, let's do this a little differently. Sorry. You are going to drag down multiple columns, and you're going to drag that down, and then we're going to get rid of this, and you're going to drag down a title with text right here on this left hand side, and you're going to say alternative energy presentation. And maybe here you're going to write about the class that you did it for, what you had to do for the assignment, the energy type that you had, but just kind of give a little bit of background information on your alternative energy presentation. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use this one that's called custom HTML, and you're going to drag it down to this side. Now right now it doesn't do anything. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into your Google presentation, and the first thing that you need to do is up here you're going to click share, and you want to change this to anyone with the link. Now just a reminder, if your first and last names are in your presentation, you should change it to just your first names and initial before you put it on the web. But you're going to change it to anyone with a link, and you're going to hit save. Okay, and you'll be done there. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here and you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. And you do not click require viewers to sign in with their Hudsonville Christian School account, because then your parents, your grandparents who don't have Hudsonville Christian School accounts won't be able to see it. But what you want is you want this right here. It's called an embed code. You're just going to start in the top corner, and you are going to select the whole thing, and you will right click and copy or use Control C. Either one is fine. You're going to go back to your Weebly account, and I'm going to go over here where it says click to set custom HTML. I'm going to click, then I will right click, and I will paste. Okay. Now when I click off of it, you can see that my presentation is there. It's not a very good one. Now this is in a big size, so when you put this in here, you may want to select, now where did it go? You may want to select a smaller size, and that is, well, I don't see that right now, and I'm really sorry about that. But my video time is about to run out, so I'll try and show you that at the beginning of the next video. But that's how you add your presentation, and stay tuned to see how to make it smaller in the next video.